Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Nowadays it's more become like Monday I bring in Ganesha cards, Tuesday I bring in Kali cards, and Thursday I bring in Baba cards. And you all also actually wait for these specific days and for the specific cards. So once again, I hope you all are resonating with the readings and liking the way the readings are going, because then only it actually encourages me. So let's see what is for today. And okay, the first card is personal transformation. So maybe Ganesha is saying that you need to change yourself. Sometimes we feel what we are doing is right, sometimes we feel we are in the right path, but actually speaking, we don't accept our faults, and because of which we end up getting into some mess. So maybe that is what Ganesha is saying, that bring in a transformation between your within yourself, instead of going out searching for transformation outside, because sometimes we think it is good but it is not good. So also, how will the day be today? Energetic movement. So I feel a lot of work. You'll be busy with your work, you'll be busy with your office. So obviously it's the starting of the month, of the week, sorry. So too much of work in hand, you'll be running haywire, lot of movements, but I feel these are good movements. I feel you'll be happy at the end of the day. It's just that you need to have some patience, because the third card which I took out was the perseverance card. So maybe patience is needed, and hang on. I'm sure Ganpati will not let you down, and Ganpati will obviously give you the right guidance and the right support at the right time. It is just that we need to look into ourselves and see where it is that we are going wrong, where it is that we are making mistakes, and how we can change those mistakes to make our lives better, our surroundings better, and everything around us better. Today, I feel the color should be purple. I don't know why I'm feeling the color purple, but I feel purple is the color today. And in the morning, if you can chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times, and also being a Monday, if you can offer some milk in your nearby Shiva temple, Shiv Bhagwan's mandir, I am sure for Abhishek it will bring in a lot of blessings to you in your life. And in the evening, if you have the time, go to some place where you find cows and feed the cows. And feed the cows, saying that I feed the cows in the name of Ganesha, so that blessings come to me multifold. And color I have already said. So also one thing I want to say is, if you have a clear quartz bracelet or a clear quartz tumble, carry that with you. Some issues may need clarity, because it's a hustle bustle day, and you'll have a lot of work going on, a lot of energy shift happening. So maybe the clear quartz will help you in clarity. If you don't have, it's fine, don't worry about it. End of the day, Lord Ganesha knows how to withhold you, how to protect you, and how to take care of you. Have a beautiful and a blessed day.